flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the VIP we normally fly at the show site. Blue Angel number 8, Lieutenant Commander Amy Tomlinson from Carlsbad, California, is our squadron naval flight officer and events coordinator. Lieutenant John Thompson, our maintenance officer from Baltimore, Maryland, is responsible for the men, women, and equipment that keep our aircraft in the air. From Brooklyn, New York, the Blue Angel Flight Service is Lieutenant Joanna Valentine. From El Paso, Texas, our administrative officer is Chief Warrant Officer Adolfo Montalvo.
Uno para arriba, uno para abajo.
Airfield and airspace, you are cleared for takeoff. Have a good one. Thanks, folks. Cleared for takeoff. Solo's ready to rock. Homestead, boss. Boss, we're clear for takeoff. Windsor 350 and 12.
Wish I had my camera zoom in.
Check your parking brake off. Check your trim set. Check your nose wheel steering on. Maneuver. Diamond half squirrel cage. Left turnout. Diamond half clear on 9. Let's fire it up. The home of the Miami Heat. Let's run them up.
What happened to the Dolphins, huh?
Now, to the left, Captain McWhorter calls smoke on. Off brakes now. Burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you'll notice that the smoke is not visible while the engines are an afterburner.
Coming back? Coming back? Mira que, look, mira que reto están, bro. Wow.
Pulling through the horizon, Captain McWhorter rolls the formation 180 degrees into the upright position, completing the 1/2 Cuban 8. As the Diamond accelerates in the descent, they acquire the necessary airspeed for their next maneuver. They will experience 4 times the force of gravity to perform this looping maneuver. Back to the right, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are rolling. Blue Angel number 5 will complete the dirty roll on takeoff, while Blue Angel number 6 executes a very precise low transition and pulls back on the stick to 6 times the force of gravity. Lieutenant Waldman climbs to an altitude of 4,000 feet momentarily be making its approach from the right. In relatively slow-speed flight, they'll give you an opportunity to get a close look at that very minimum 18-inch wingtip to canopy separation that exists between these four aircraft. From the right, the Blue Angel Diamond. And push forward on the stick as they perform the opposing 9th-inch pass.
Wow, he disappeared.
The Diamond is approaching for a maneuver I'm sure is familiar to many of you who may have seen the Blue Angels perform in the past. From the right, at 400 miles per hour, the Diamond roll. All four aircraft rolling as one in this graceful 360-degree rolling maneuver.
See your dirty face, hide behind your collar. What is done in vain? Truth is hard to swallow, so you know, 'cause you have to trust the way you live a life,
Our two solo pilots are approaching once again, this time to demonstrate the inverted flight capabilities of these F/A-18s. Approaching inverted from the left and right, they will roll their aircraft 360 degrees, crossing over center point. The opposing inverted to inverted rolls. Setting up for their next maneuver. The Diamond aileron hold center point on a signal from Captain McWhorter.
Could you imagine doing that for the
Pilots
first
will roll
time?
their aircraft 360
Man, actually hit the lights,
Oh,
man.
God.
Very precise Diamond.
My movie will be
aileron
popular on
roll.
Facebook,
Let's
that's for
listen
sure,
in.
on YouTube. That's dangerous.
No, that's, yeah.
you
No,
gotta
you have to be so coordinated with the other person. Because it takes, honey.
driving fast, but I didn't see the ditch. Took out a mailbox, then a fence, then a barn. The police came and called my father, but I met the farmer's daughter.
Aircraft pilots and enthusiasts who understand the difficult transition from the cruise to the landing configuration will appreciate this next maneuver demonstrated by our two solo pilots. To the right, Lieutenant Commander Weiser and Lieutenant Walborn will establish a mirror image formation. But look closely, for both aircraft are in the carrier landing configuration as they approach for a maneuver we call the Fortas.
We're going to Cuba. Everybody sit down. Wow, this is huge. Yeah.